viewers, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you different fidget toys that I have, but with the twist. I have these different colors, and if I pick the color orange, I'll be showing you guys this wacky track. So, I'm going to be putting all these colors in this bowl and mixing them around and seeing which one I pick. So, let's get started. So I have this bowl with all the colors. I'm going to shake it around and I'm going to pick one. Alright, the first color I got is orange. So that means I'm going to be showing you guys this wacky track. So this is the wacky track. They really do make a cool sound. I really think these are pretty cool. And I have a pretty long one. And you can pull them apart. And it is very long. I'll show you guys. Very long. And this one comes in the color green and orange. There are different color combinations, but I do like that you can pull it apart and put it back together and make different shapes. So yeah, this is a great fidget toy. So yeah, that's the wacky track. Okay, so I put the wacky track up here. And it's time for the next one. I'm going to take orange out because there's nothing else with orange. So it's time to pick the next color. And I just set the orange let's set it under here. I'm going to move it to right here. Alright, time for the next one. Blue. Okay, so for blue, we either have the mini poppet or the shaggy Neato. I think I'm going to do the shaggy Neato. So I put all my other fidgets up here, and time to open up the shaggy Neato. Let's see this side. Yep. Okay, when you open it, it's this awesome yeah, this is the Shaggy Neato, the Groovy Glob. I like this one. And yeah, that's this is a really cool one. It's like a squishy with these little hairy things. And yeah, this one's really cool. I like this one. So yeah, I really like this one, and that is the blue Shaggy Neato, and I can just put it right back in its box. there we go. And my shaggy needle is right here. And now it's time to pick our next color. Okay, I got white. Okay, so let's see. We can either do this llama or this mini puppet. I think I'm going to do the mini puppet this time because it has white right here. So I'll show you guys that. So this is my mini puppet. So this is the mini puppet. I think I already said that, but I really, really like this one. It's a little popsicle, and if you can see, there's a little smiley face. And the poppers, this is the bad side, I believe. This is good side. The bad side feels nice, and the good side. So I really like this one. Yeah, I really like the mini puppet. Okay, so now I'm going to take the blue out. Let's see. Okay, now we're going to take the blue out because that was the last blue thing, so those are 2 blue things. Now it's time to shake it up and pick my next one. I picked pink. Okay, so I have 3 pink things. So I'm not going to do the Shaggy Neato. I think I'm going to do the gumball. Now, this is from the same brand as the Shaggy Neato, but it's different. So this is the gumball. It's like chewing gum for your hands. Chewing gum for your hands. So this one is very soft and easy to squish. And it's pink, and I don't know if you can see, but let's see. It has this texture right here, and it says the brand name. And then on this side, it says gumball, I think. Yeah, gumball. You can see it right there. But this one is really easy to squish, but it's pretty nice. Okay, gonna put it back in the box. And that is the gumball. Also, for the gumball, I didn't move these, so I think for the next couple, I'm not going to move any of these. Anyways, let's pick the next color. Yellow. Okay, so we have 2 yellow things, actually. We have this or that. This or that. This or that. This or that. I'm going to pick this. So I'm going to pick both because, why not? These are marble and meshes. These are pretty nice, so you can go like this, you can go like this. It's fun to like squish them. Ooh. It's fun to squish. and then you move the marble around. And the feeling is actually really nice on the mesh. So yeah, marble meshes are pretty nice. They're really simple, but I like these. Yeah, that is the marble meshes. Alright, let's pick the next color. I got yellow again. So, that means I'm doing bike chains. These are bike chains, flippy chains. And these are like, I don't know, I want to call them like infinite. You just keep it, they're infinity. Infinity rings. You just keep flipping them. That's not their name, but that would be a cool name. And these ones are really nice because you got this nice rubber, and then the bike chain, and then the 2 rings. And it's like really cool. I have 2 of these, and they're both the yellow band. So that is the bike chain. We're down to the last 4. So let's pick a color. Oh. Color I got is pink. So I have 2 pink things. I have this one or this one. I think I'm going to do this one. And this is the DNA ball. I think it might be like a DNA glob ball, but we'll just call it a DNA ball. And this is what it sounds like. This one feels so nice. And you have the nice texture of these beads. But this one feels just so nice. I really like this one. And then you just roll it when you're done to get it back to the right shape. So, yeah, that is the DNA glob ball. Alright, down to the last 3 things. Oh. The color I got is, green. I forgot to take that out. Put that down. Oh. I got red, which means I'm doing my crab poppet. Okay, not that. The crab poppet. So, this is my crab poppet. I really like my crab poppet. This is the bad side. No, even though both sides are good. This is the better side. I could just do this for so long. So yeah, that is the crab poppet. And I like how it has these two little claws. And yeah, and it has these on the side you can stick your finger in. And we're down to the last two. So let's see. We got pink. So pink is my second Shaggy Neato. It's just like the blue one, but this one is a bright pink. This one does have a different texture. It has more air, and that one has more like filling, more of that like dough filling. So yeah, they'd have a little bit different, but they're pretty similar. And that is the pink Shaggy Neato. And we'll put it back in its box. And now we have a tower, but this is the last one. Its face is peeling a little bit, but this is the pooping llama. And I really like this one. It has a glitter. If you can see, it's glittery. The ball inside of it can come out, but I'd rather it like in. It's really silly, but you can squish it like this, and it has these holes in the sides of its neck, so you can go like this. And you could push its face in. But yeah, that is the pooping llama. So that is all of the fidgets and all of the colors. So let's get the poppet in here. And that is everything. I really like all of these. And yeah, that is all of these fidgets. They're all great fidgets. So yeah. Bye, hangers. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified when I make some new awesome videos.